Back at it again with another creatine video. Creatine is such a hot topic in 2025. As much as we know about how effective creatine is, less is known about the proper time to take it. Is it better to take it pre-workout, post-workout, or does it even matter? After we worked out, our blood is flowing at an elevated rate, and that can potentially shuttle creatine to the muscles more quickly. We also know that when we take creatine with carbs and protein, that there's a possible insulin hormone effect where muscles can take up more creatine. But you can't supersaturate your muscles with creatine. So once you've topped up your levels and you're in that maintenance phase and you've been in that maintenance phase for a while, timing really doesn't matter because you're just topping up your creatine stores. It's already pretty much saturated. So any strategy that you do to get more creatine into the muscles, at a certain point, you're maxed out. So all that to say, maybe in the initial phases, say you've just started taking creatine, then you might want to look at taking it post-workout to see the effects of creatine supplementation more quickly. There's a potential benefit there, but long-term, timing is of less importance. What you really want to care about is just taking creatine consistently, 3 to 5 grams a day, even on a rest day. So to answer that question, you're taking creatine at the wrong time if you're taking it at a time that you keep forgetting to take it. You just got to be consistent. If you experience GI symptoms with creatine supplementation, then obviously take it post-workout, and always take creatine with food and water to help you tolerate it better, just if you're extra sensitive to creatine supplementation. Other than that, timing doesn't matter. That wraps up this video. Check out my other creatine videos and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.